My name is David Collum, and I'm a support worker for Deaf Connect. I'm here for a group activity out at the movies, and all our deaf clients enjoyed today. Hi, my name is Ellie. I'm here at the movies with a group of participants, and I'm a support worker for Deaf Connect. Hi, I'm Fetu. My role is a support worker with Deaf Connect, and we're here today at the cinemas with our deaf clients. Hello, my name is Sarah. Hi, my name is Jess. And? And my name is Ellie. Today we are here at the swimming pool for a fun activity. Clients come along to enjoy themselves, exercise more, socialize as a group, and enjoy the beautiful weather. And I'm joining this to learn some new skills. I'm joining the community and I'm joining Deaf Connect now. Hey, my name is Lachlan. And my name is Fetu. We're both support workers, and today we're at the pool for a swimming activity. And what for? We're here supporting clients attend a group activity and socialize. If you want to learn some new skills, you can come along too. And what else? Come and join us at Deaf Connect.